Okay guys, let's go over this. This is a video about all my Thomas and Friends Take It Play with the Railway Adventures collection. No Trackmasters. Enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward with Molly's Tender, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Diesel, Harvey, Bill, Spencer, Molly, Charlie, and Belle. Here's my only vehicle, Ned. Just only. Here's a character that is honestly not from Thomas, but it's honestly from Bill. Sorry, spoilers. This is Rolly. And here's my only vehicle, Captain. I barely have rolling stockings, so let's show it. We got Annie, an extra tender car, a soda thing, search and rescue center, a troublesome truck with a lock, and a breakdown tree. Here are my extra ones. Old style Henry and old style Percy. Let's move on to the wooden ones. Thomas, James with a rusty tender, Percy, Toby, Emily, which does not look like a Thomas Friends character, Lady, Salty, and some weird kind of train, and an imaginary train. Here are my navigation. Luke and Skylar. Here are my air vehicles. Brady, a police car, and an ambulance. Here are my and Alfie and George. Here are my coaches. 2 winter cabooses, a green caboose, a winter caboose, and a musical caboose. Here are my only 2 cars. Flower car and a random car. And also we got this Colton. Here are 3 extra engines. Old style Thomas, old style Gold Diesel, and old style Birdie. And here are the adventures. Thomas, Percy, Nia, Hugmay, and Hugo, and 2 regular cars. And those are my only inventions. Thanks for watching.